So hello guys, welcome to our channel gossipfunda. My name is Koshti. Today's I will give you the top 5 screen recording software that will be help you for your future videos. If you want to make videos on YouTube or your college project, or you want to make a stream on gaming, want to record your gameplay to share to friends, open any other browser you use, okay, and type search bar is screen record, screen RA, and just click here. So it is 100% free and they're giving no watermark, okay, and it is present for all three versions: Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. So it is very easy to handy, and personally I use this software and they have 90k active users. What you need to do, just here is the step given, just scroll down and you also add your voice and face also, and just your file was saved. So it is so simple, and just one click screen capture was starting. So this is the first software we use for our screen recording, and this software you also use for your streaming also. Now second in list is a Powersoft free screen recording, okay. It's absolutely free and not giving a watermark. So just start recording, download app. This software also work in your mobile phone, so you download app or you starting recording. Here the guide menu, here you step by step record your videos. It was support on your webcam, so you making a meeting, you recording any meeting वगैरह, you also capture it very easily. And here the giving the step by step, you crop the screen, okay, you add your voice, you add your face, and it is also for available for our Windows, Android, and here you find this is available for Windows OS and Android. Just check it and it is absolutely free. Now the third software in our list is ShareX. Just click here. It is also totally free software. They're giving mark, and it's free source of software. Just click for download. Here the you got the version, okay, and it's for only Windows, I think so. So it is only for Windows and it is absolutely free, and they giving not a watermark, and you easily share your clip to another person, okay. You easily upload it to any like YouTube, etc. You can easily upload your clip on YouTube. Now the fourth in our list is Cam Studio. So just type Cam Studio, and it is also free software and giving no watermark. It is from Wondershare, okay, and it is available for Windows and OS. Just click free download and you easily download it and capture screen. Here you see the some screenshot how to record this step by step. Here you see the video how to capturing the screen step by step processor, so you definitely check out this. Now the fifth and last in our list is OBS Studio. You definitely heard this word if you are especially a gamer, okay. This is the best software for anything. Just click OBS Studio and it is all absolutely free and giving no watermark, okay. You're doing anything in this software, okay. It is present for Windows, Mac, Linux. You adjust the screen, okay, you record, you stream, you use this software for recording, you use this software for face camming, you use this software for streaming. A lot of the gamers on a YouTube are use this software. Yes, here you say that it is the software used for YouTube, Facebook also. And here you got the features, that is they give a lot of option to record your screen perfectly. You adjust your screen, you record your voice, you record your face, and upload on YouTube or upload on any platform that you want. So let's check out this. So here our the 5 softwares were done. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please share this video to your friends and family for knowing these softwares, okay. They also some of your friends was trying to start YouTube, so this software was definitely useful for them. So thank you so much for watching this video. So guys, don't forget to check out our Gossipfunda YouTube channel. Here we uploaded latest tech related videos, which videos will help you in your day-to-day life, okay. So please check out this channel, and if you like this video, please give the big thumbs up. It will be motivate me. So thank you so much for watching this video.